Hey guys, Lila's Tools here. We're back with another part of my Toolbox Tour, my main toolbox. This is the fourth drawer. Sorry, my brain ain't working today. We've already covered the top of the box. First drawer, second drawer, third drawer. We're on to our fourth drawer. This is our SAE wrench drawer. So let's get right into it. Up at the top left here, we've got a gear wrench, non-reversible ratcheting wrench set, 3/4, 11/16, 5/8. 9/16 half, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16 and quarter. Down here we have a double box with a ratcheting end gear wrench, 5/16. Some of my favorite wrenches right here. We have a 5/16 Mac knuckle saver, made in the US of A. And a couple of snap-on 1/2 inchers. Same wrenches pretty much. This one though is a flank drive. The other one is not. So there's those guys. Over here we have a couple stubby ratcheting wrenches, gear wrenches, 3/8, half, and 5/8. Pardon me. And back here on the right, another gear wrench ratcheting wrench set. This one is reversible. 3/4, 11/16, 5/8, 9/16 half, 7/16, and 3/8. We have an overflow extra that I got at some point, a 9/16 gear wrench. And down here, we've got some of my grandpa's specialty wrenches, midget wrenches, I don't know what exactly you would call them, ignition wrenches. But these are blue points and snap-ons. It's interesting because, I don't know if you guys can make that out. Yeah, Canada. This is a blue point made in Canada. It's very interesting. At 3/8. 7/16. Look how interesting that end there is. Neat little wrench. Not something you use all the time, but if you get yourself in a sticky situation or, up against a firewall kind of thing, you're great. I know I was working on an old, was it a Fox Body Mustang, I think? We're doing something on the brake booster. And it was right up against the firewall, and we ended up using one of these, and it was great. There's a 7/16, 3/8. So it's opposite ends. You see that? It's interesting. Here's a snap-on, 5/16, 9/32, made in Canada. Another snap-on, 1/4, 15/64, Canada. Look at this tiny little guy. Look at that. What size is that? He was 7/32 and 15/64. Blue point. You can say Canada on that one? Yes, sir, it does. Another neat little wrench. Another snap-on. 15/64 and 1/4. Another blue point. It's that 1/4 and I can't even read that. 9/32. And last but not least, another blue point, 1/4, and 9/32. So, that is my SAE wrench drawer. I do have a lot, and I mean a lot, more SAE wrenches. But this is just what I could fit in this drawer and be organized somewhat. And that is used often. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment your thoughts and opinions, and any constructive criticism or anything like that. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.